Oh my god, I can't believe it. Well, ordinarily he looks a little bit more frightening than this, but I was playing around with making him fuzzy. I am going to level with you here. My ears are filling up with sweat right now. It's like the bad opening to a Seinfeld joke. What's the deal with the Unity game engine? Does it really unite anything? What's the deal with Unreal? I see it. Is it fake? Are the games fake? Sorry. And then I'm just going to keep streaming and do it again and 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 again. And then I'll shoot people on over there. But I ask it once we get over there to remove the referral raid and refresh. You're welcome back here. Leave a lurk there, leave a lurk here. There, here a lurk, there a lurk, everywhere a lurk lurk. Old McJourney had a stream. EI feckin' O. Don't do it, Infina. Don't do it, Infinitiny. I know it. Don't do it. And if you want to play an oboe, a double reed instrument, here's what you do. You take a look at a cat's asshole, a really close look at a cat's asshole, and you do your best to make your lips look like that. You go, bro. There. That's a skill that you learned. Just go. Uh-huh. Ball. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, hey, hey. My bullets are carrying me away. Oh, don't come for me. Don't come for me. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Yes. Please tell me somebody's clipping this. Bye. Bye. He's like a fainting goat. Welcome in, everybody. Wilger, thank you for being first. Fishman, thank you for chatting first. Also, hello on YouTube, Frog Boy. Good to see ya. How are we doing today? It is in the US, it is a holiday today. A lot of people have off work, including me, but I don't stop. I don't stop. Ever. For some reason, can't stop, won't stop. Two? Nice. Congratulations. And the downside is where I'm at now doesn't have paid holidays. My next one will. Frog Boy, asking if I could try Pico 8. I'm familiar with it, but it's not something that I've gone into. What I would recommend is so there's a streamer over here on YouTube called the Captain Coder who did some really cool stuff with Pico 8. And made a really cool game in a week or so. Unfortunately, it's not something that one doesn't really. Not that it doesn't interest me. It's that I want to focus on getting good at one thing before jumping into another. So someday I'll be good at Godot, and when I feel comfortable enough in Godot. Whoa, hello. What the actual hell? Oh, okay. Godot, 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 Godot. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Yeah. So I really hope everybody's doing well. Frog Boy. So what I do know of Pico 8 is that it gives you very um, limited space to do things, which is fine. You know, the best things come from being constrained. I mean, there's a whole thing about Mario using a blue background on certain levels on Super Mario Brothers, the original, and working with limited space, how a lot of like textures and stuff were just the same textures turned around and reused. Um, I'm so curious why this is happening. I wonder if it has something to do with the stuff I was trying in the REPL. This REPL is really cool, really really cool. But I don't need to keep it. So I'm gonna project. We're gonna take it out while I'm not actively using it. All right. So what I was working on now is a save file, saving the data. Um, And what we figured out that we want to save are all these things. We want the current level, the player transforms, the fires that have been lit, the pages that have been found. Oh boy. Folks, I've also been having some stomach problems, so if I have to run off suddenly, please don't leave. I will return. I did play a little bit of our Beagscraft world this morning. I'm trying to check my title. What's up with my title? Um, no, the email that I got going live says my bonus Monday stream. I did change it. Mew Mew, welcome in. Wilger, it's just because you're here all the time. It's like, eh, you know. Definitely weird. The title is a myth. It's a myth. Myth. Yes? Solar, welcome in. Solar, thank you for the cake. The cake was much appreciated. I love, I absolutely love how, like, excuse me, how our shared communities are like now. We now have a Minecraft world that doesn't look bad, except for my part of it, but it's just, it feels like an awesome bonding moment for all of us. I mean, I went into Megatron's stream this morning. First thing I did was did it TTS of I am going to kill your mother, but it was Brian TTS saying it, and so somebody read that and they're like, "What the fuck is going on here?" I'm like, "Oh, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it." She started laughing, but uh, me typing "I'm going to kill your mother" just to some rando who has no idea what's going on. It's like, what the hell? So for reference, um, we have a voice chat for on Beegs's Minecraft server for or Beegs's Discord server for anybody who was playing, and there's a soundboard from a an author that I follow on his Discord, and he has some clips from the audiobook, and the audiobook. Oh no, is where we get this line from.
Did you just rip your dick off and throw it at me?
Okay, so if that gives you any idea of the kind of book that it is, it's funny as hell. And so one of the clips is one of the characters who happens to be the head of a sex doll who is possessed by a demi half demon and is obsessed with murder. Yes, yes. um who just goes around saying, "I'm going to kill your mother" to anybody who pisses her off. And So there's a sound clip of that head saying, "I'm going to kill your mother," and I just kept playing it, and it was one of those things where the first time it's funny, but it gets funnier every time, and then when you let it go for a little bit and do it out of nowhere, it's just like you lose your shit. At least I did, and it seemed like some other people were finding it funny, so I kept doing it because that's how I am. I find something that people like, and I do it over again, over and over until it's sick of me. It was a very good time. I was back in there this morning. Um, I want to know who made the auto castle because I just spent a buttload of time trying to um figure out a way to get some villagers back to our spawn. And I go, what? Loomy Wolf, thank you for the sub. 7 months.
Loomy
Holy
Wolf,
shit.
he just subscribed for 7 months.
I appreciate you. I appreciate the sub. I appreciate everything. You all are amazing. But I was wandering around and I came across that auto castle where somebody's been to the end. And Frogboy over on YouTube, I don't want to remove the verified accounts only because I have been, spam attacked multiple times. So that's like the minimum protection that I can put in there is, having having verified accounts. So I recommend verifying your account through email or something, but I that's one protection I'm not going to remove. I mean, I've had so many follow bot attacks, so many spam bot attacks. All right, so what was I doing here? If I'm being honest, I honestly just want to go back to playing Minecraft. But we're working on the save file, right? I mean, if Beegs could be a Minecraft streamer, so could I, right? Right? If Beegs can do it, I can do it. Folks, if you aren't following Beegs yet, he does the best Minecraft tutorials and streams on Twitch and YouTube. Meow Mew, what is up? Speaking of save files. Oh, yeah? I just disabled the REPL, but I mean, when so funny thing, let me re-enable it. Ooh, that happened just by turning this on. All these things triggered, but all those times I was trying to print out, when I was doing print variable, they were printing to the output. So that's why it was just, giving me the 3 arrows printing here. But yeah, everything was coming back as strings. Excuse me. So like if I do var yeah, that's kind of the problem. I think that for now, I mean, it looks dirty, but it'll work. And this is a learning experience. Bar. JSON. Hey, Epoxys, what's up? I don't even remember what we were doing or how we were switching it back. Was it JSON? Wasn't JSON? JSON. Parse, not decode. Parse. Oh, I've got to do a okay var JSON. Close. Gonna convert argument 1 from int to string. Yeah. The JSON new is seems pretty important. To me, that's weird because you can stringify static. It's a static method, but new is not. Oh wait, okay. Yeah. Oh, all right. Yeah, it's gonna be a big to do. I think it'll work. It'll work. We'll make it work. Ah, that was wrong. I was trying to shout out Prime, but I misspelled. I'm an idiot. Okay, that makes sense. Da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off the REPL. Just something that we don't need running here. Yeah, it'd be cool to clean it up. Um, all right, so I kind of want to see how we're looking here. Um, I don't know a good way to test this off the top of my head. Let's see, for child and children, guess we could print them, but all right, we'll print everything as we go here. Just to see what we got, and I'll just run it once when it loads. Or no, we'll call deferred to run it so that everything loads up on the first tick, and then it'll call that. Um, let's try this again. There we go. Then and then um yes and all right, question for y'all, chat. Is it showing a slow mode for you? Because it shouldn't be. But in my dashboard it's showing slow mode. Okay, good, 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 good. All right, fires a pen, child name. So this should give me the fires that are. God, yesterday's me was an idiot for not commenting. I need to have like a big thing just stapled right in front of me at all times, like maybe to the hat right in front that says "comment your shit." Um, Iaria or Aria, what is up? Welcome in. Good to see you. How did your game jam go? Or are you still working on it? Right now, I'm working on my Sooty's Revenge game, and we're working on a save file because I want to implement a checkpoint system. So when you pick up a paper, a journal page throughout the level, that it becomes a checkpoint and saves the current status of things. And so we figured out that the things that we need are the fires lit, the player current transforms, um, pages that have been found, which we actually don't have any way to determine that. Arya, I'm trying to code it because this is something that I don't understand, so I want to code it correctly. and learn kind of the way that it does. I mean, I've done save system before, but it was a long time ago. And then for my last game jam game, I just, you know, I I did an add-on that worked out pretty well, but I want to understand it. But excuse me. You know, with a lot of things are tightly integrated to a point. Like I can't the player needs to have a list of what pages have been collected. Oh shit, I still have this? Hell, I forgot. I forgot about that one. Cool. All right, so should we save it on the player with what pages have been found? Will a player be reloaded level to level? Like will we shouldn't lose everything, but I think for this um maybe keep a persistent global dictionary. This is resource now. I don't need it to be an auto load, do I? No. Because this is a resource. All we're doing is putting in for each level. We change this so that levels have this. And then I just need to transport or transfer all the page. Oh shit. Oh good, good. I still have it here. I still have it here. Oh god, I thought I was gonna. I thought that I shit the bed here. Um. Great, great. Aria, I was thinking about that. I thought about that, but I wanted to learn resources too. So this project is a big learning experience for me. And I'm doing a lot of things the hard way so that I can learn as I'm going, so that next game will be easier. So if there's an opportunity for me to learn something that I haven't used yet, like can't really see it thanks to my chat, but hold on, let me move it here. I haven't really done resources yet, so making a custom resource was kind of on my list of things that I want to pick up. So I made a simple custom resource out of the journal pages, popped it in here, And now I have these that I should be able to pull the pages from. So I'm kind of liking that. I did take some shortcuts, like, but I also did a tutorial on the shortcuts that I took for like the map making, using proton scatter, using terrain 3D, using first person shooter, or yeah, FPS control, because you know I could spend forever trying to. I actually made really bad choices initially with Blender, and I used a heat map to randomly place trees, and that made things pretty difficult. And I had a tutorial on there, and people shamed me for it. People said this is a bad idea, and I don't want to give bad knowledge. I want to give good knowledge. I want to be smart. Um, ProcGen will be a thing that I want to learn, or is a thing that I want to learn. That will be a thing. Munglo, hey yo, welcome in. Speaking of ProcGen, somebody says ProcGen and Munglo shows up. Dude, I remember when you first made this. It is freaking amazing. I gotta run to the restroom really quick. You can have arguments for each instance that you launch. Cool. Very cool. I agree. I gotta run to the restroom. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. What the hell is that Gargamel looking motherfucker doing? I'm very curious what this. Revelations Persona. Never heard of it. Okay, so yeah, back to the save data node. Oh yeah. So I'm keeping this on the levels. But I want to have a global, and you know, maybe sure we could have um separate it out, which would probably not be bad, but you know, for the sake of time. Dude, that's awesome. Bungalow, you never cease to amaze me. Okay, let's think about how this data is gonna be. Um just to keep track of the number of Aria, thank you for the follow. Um shit, train of thought has derailed. Uh I want to know what level we're on. And I want to keep track of how many pages have been found. So that's an int. Composable game design. I like it. I like it. I don't know what kind of data that's going to be just yet. Okay, so in level 1, okay, I don't know what I'm using that variable for. Little base. Place papers, blah, blah. Only when passing the mustard. I like that term. I really like that term. Excuse me, do you have any multiplayer data? But of course. Okay. I'm overwhelming myself. We need to break this down into chunkable tasks. Um so okay, let's worry about one thing first here, because I'm getting into that thing where, you know, you see everything connected and you want to do all the things at one time. But when I get into that mode, when I get into that thought, um that thought process, I kind of freeze up, and I don't want to do that. So the save data does require some other stuff to be figured out. um so when the paper is clicked, go back to the script here. Should I have it on here? Okay, so this is what we're doing here. It's focused. Let's go back to our signal bus, which is in globals. Why did I put that? We're not using any arguments there. Signal. Okay, there we go. So when paper's picked up, this is, you know, our global here. Emit self. Okay. So when it's picked up, we're telling everybody that it's picked up. in the player. Where should we store how many pages we picked up? Should it be in the player? Because the player is going to be reset every time we change level. The player gets dropped into the level and instanced, so it's not persistent. So we need persistent data. Kind of what I'm thinking. Local player. And that'll be attached to the main, kind of like the save data node. Gonna be attached to the main scene. So yeah, let's do that. Our second favorite, welcome in. Good to see you. Mungo, I completely agree. That's what I'm thinking. And let's see what I can pull out of here. Like the movement settings and all that, that's definitely staying in. Wait. That so it doesn't. Globals here, current level. I would agree with that, but it's not a bad thing, Munglo, saying that you're a bit of a stickler. I would agree that you are, but I'm envious. I mean, it's great to have that attention to detail. we are going to have a pretty big refactor once we get closer to release. Like I was talking about yesterday, last night, whatever time it was. I would like to prep this for the February Next Fest. October is out the window. It's not going to happen. Just not going to happen. But I think by giving myself until February, there's plenty of time to get enough spit and polish on here. Maybe even some play testing of a level or two. And put it out there for Next Fest. Oh, let's see. There was something I wanted to do here. Okay, now we'll get the current levels from global. The initial one when this loads, but this is going to be low. Jake Blade, welcome in. How goes Kirker? Are you getting a lot of traction there? Meow meow, what the hell? I mean, I know my limits. Like I will stress out, and if I hit a certain point, I will just flat out shut down. It's happened. It's happened on stream. Jake Blade, that is awesome. Folks, go check out this amazing game. Just released. It is free to play. And not one of those nasty ass free to play. It's actually a free game that is fucking amazing. Made by the great and all knowing Jake Blade. All right, ads are coming up. That means it is time for CGG, some chat guess games, and I'll be right back. Oh, we've seen this one a couple times. I can't think of what it is though. I it's right on the tip of my tongue. And we'll find out in a couple seconds here. Omnifidus, welcome in. Also, Infuernix, welcome in. Aria, thanks for stopping in. I appreciate you being here. Yamu, get that monster spawner going. All right, current level, global's current level. I think that days. Try minutes for me. It's like I'm so excited. Oh shit, I don't know how to do anything. Um, well, guess it's time to try something else. Let's change that to a signal so that it can just pop it up to the persistent data instead of nope, bad. Level loaded. Second favorite, if I could give any advice to that, radio forget everything you've done. As somebody who has forgotten everything that they've done and taken a break, um, comment your shit. I need to comment my shit. Oh, excuse me. Right. Let's see. When I was, and that and testing, those are two things that commenting and testing are two things I really need to work on. Um, I was on. What's this? I will use it. Stop yelling at me. When I was interviewing for the job that I'm about to start in a couple weeks, in several interviews I've been on, the question came up, how good are you at writing unit tests? And I'm like, well, I'd like to say I'm good, but for the most part, clients don't like unit tests because it's not work that's going to help them, or they don't see it as work that's going to help them, which is bullshit because it will. But I explained, I like writing them. I like using them. I think they're a great thing. However, most places that I've been don't see the value of it, so they won't allow the extra time to write those. And I've tried including it in like my story point, ticket estimations, things like that. But when they see, oh well, the feature works, and well, maybe we need to write some testing. Nah, we're just gonna merge it in as is. Just go ahead and move on to the next thing. Damn it. Listen here. Okay, we got page picked up. And page. There. Yeah, I mean, kinda, yeah. It's breaking down like individual functions and things into units that can be tested, and like writing out scenarios that, well, just like you said, in PHP we have several. One of my preferred, well, that's more functional testing. But there are different types or different ways to do it. I like using bhat because bhat, you can write out test scenarios very similar to writing out user stories. So you can just write out as a user role, when I do a thing or go to a page, then when I do something, then this should happen. And it's really cool how it uses human language to kind of tell what should happen. Let me this is how it gets written out in syntax. So it comes out, or it starts working really well. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of different ways to do it. So like there's unit tests, there's kernel tests, there's functional tests, and I'm thinking more PHP specific because that's what I've done the most in. Also, second favorite, is, in my opinion, that's probably the best usage for AI is writing unit tests. um, writing unit tests, doing menial tasks to save you time. Um, see, where is it? Blah 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 blah. So like we have in Drupal a whole lot of tests. Drupal or different fixtures, which are like, hey Tommy, doing all right. Build test, functional test, kernel test. So like this, make API request. Yeah, the setup is where you make a bunch of mock-up or mock data, then run. Assert equals false, blah blah blah. Set up the access checker. Check everything. Assert that the current user is passed to the access, and assert true that it matches. Actually, my first commit where the hell is it? This line right here. This was my first commit into Drupal, into Drupal core. And it's just a test. This is data that we put into a test. And that first one, Dorficus, that's my username on Drupal.org. Man, 9 years ago. Holy shit. Tommy, I honestly have no idea. I've never done development on a tablet. Um Oh, Jake Blade, compared to what we had before, let me see if I even have it on here. You know what we had? we had um we had tipple tips, PHP template. So actual PHP files. Actual PHP files that did the templating. And you know what the problem is here? You know what the difficult part of this is? It's a PHP file. So you know what could happen here? You could write business logic in the theme layer. And believe me, people did. People still do. It's dirty. Okay. Oh, well, that's the reason that in the future versions of Drupal we switched over from PHP template to Twig because it's really difficult to put business logic in Twig. And if you don't know, Twig is Symfony's templating engine. Is Deadlock available? Is that the new Steam one or the new Valve thing? That's supposed to be like a Fortnite Overwatch killer. Oh. You got yourself early access, huh? Closed beta. Well, how do I get into this closed beta? Right on, right on. Hold on. Oh no. I'll take the. There. There. We'll make it easy so you don't have to share yours. I'm willing to share mine out. Wild as Cannon, welcome in. Yes, it is. Omnipotence, it's 1 digit shorter. No, two digits shorter. It's 8. Yeah, it's 8. So the playlist I'm listening to, Wildest Canon, is instrumental funk. There you go. Dang. Oh, right on. I'm excited to try it. Okay. Now, where did I have this? Journal pages? Nope, 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 nope. Dustin, no worries, no worries. Just appreciate you being here. I'm not a huge fan of third person shooters, honestly. I like Overwatch. I mean, well, Overwatch does go a little bit into third person sometimes when I'm playing Wrecking Ball, but yeah, not a huge fan of like Fortnite or things like that. Mostly because I'm bad at them. All right, what paper? Gotcha. I'm not very efficient. You should see my Dyson Sphere project and Factorio and Satisfactory and Astroneer and well, it's all bad. It's all bad. It's all very, very bad. Okay, so we're emitting the paper to persistent data. This is going to be pages found, right? Wait, pages found just needs to be no, it just needs to be an int because we're playing or not playing. We're showing the same three bits of text regardless of the order. So no matter which page is picked up first, it's going to get text one. I know it's a nitpick, but I really wish that there was the plus plus operator, the increment. Okay, connect. Nope, not unpickled. Hey, Miltoman, how you doing? Welcome in. Are y'all in Minecraft right now? Are y'all building up shit without me?
Is One Night in Paris with Owen Wilson? One Night.
I see that there are 6 people online. Oh, so Tom, what you're saying is I could take all your sugarcane?
Paris.
Because I'm gonna.
That's not it. Wait.
Give me some sugar, baby. Solar. I'm trying to. So here's my goals. I want to turn our spawn town into a village. I want to get villagers in. Somebody already has villagers, a villager there, but only one that I can tell. I don't know who it is though. There's no name with it. Okay, on. I don't think I need a process in here. Picked up. Okay. Need something to do while waiting for your eggs. Somebody was supposed to make a automatic chicken killer, too. Ooh, that's what I should do. Make fried chicken. Okay, what the hell am I doing here? Okay, page is the paper here. And then paper, or the level is going to have, or the level has a resource. So how do I, what's this? Indices? What? Wait, what do you mean? What, huh? Globals, 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 globals. What did I do here? Oh, it's a signal. Okay. There we go. There we go. There. Wildest cannon. God. honestly, unfortunately, coming up on a year, but I feel like I've accomplished almost nothing in that year. I know that's not true. I've done quite a bit, but I haven't. The only game that I've actually published was for the Solo Jam last weekend. That's the first and only thing that I put up on itch or anywhere. I've been working primarily on a single game. I put a lot of my focus onto this City's Revenge, which is all about despair. And so now I'm just doing some stuff for the save system. You know, this isn't the only thing that I've made though. If I go back to the project list here, my project list is pretty impressive. No, it's not impressive. It's pretty depressive. Is the word I should have used there. Excuse me. And honestly, I should take the next couple of weeks and focus on my presentation. Um, because I'm actually giving that talk in 2 weeks. Well, less than 2 weeks now. But you know, I've got a lot of stuff in here going all the way back to a few things that I made. Going back to 919 was the first time I opened up Godot and tried making something. Actually, yeah, that was the first time. 919. I was doing that. Then I started taking it kind of seriously in October, with some Zenva courses, which I highly recommend if they ever go up on sale in on Humble Bundle again. Get the Zenva courses; they're good. I don't even remember what I did here. In my battle game, that one was fun. That was fun. Hey, dude, Bando, welcome in. Good to see you. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Hope you're having a good day. So yeah, I think that maybe we should put a pin in Sooty for now because I'm giving a talk in 2 weeks. Well, less than 2 weeks. And my talk is a presentation that I built in Godot. It's about streaming and how it's made me a better developer overall, surprisingly. But I'd like to make some updates to it and make it a little bit better. I spent a lot of time on it initially. When I first made it, but the last few slides were kind of rushed. And you might be wondering, like, what do you mean slides in Godot? The hell? What the hell? And you would be right to be saying, what the hell? Because really, what the hell? Where did this go? But for those of you who haven't seen this yet, this is my platformer presentation. No, I don't want to run just that scene. Whoopsie daisy. It's from the whole damn thing.
Hey, insert
What?
raiding streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did
I'm going to
insert
kill your
last activity
mother.
here go?
Welcome in,
Now,
Yanis.
let's rock.
Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, Raiders. It's great to see you. I'm going to kill your mother. Mags, how did the rest of your stream go? I know you were having some rough times when I was there earlier. Hopefully it improved. If not, hopefully you were able to punch something to make yourself feel better. Welcome in, Phantom. Welcome in, Mice. Good to see you. Yanis, the Wanderer. Good to see you. Anybody that I missed? Mags, great. That's great. I mean, celebrate failures. If you learn something, if you're able to grow from it, take it as a win, right? So for Raiders coming in who don't know me, well, aside from threatening the maternal parent with Phantom, what? Really? Really? Took you this long? Phantom, thank you for the follow. For those of you coming in who don't know me, I'm GD. And I have a big head. You have not failed me. Normally during the day I do web dev and primarily in PHP, Drupal, JavaScript, things like that. However, when I'm not working my full-time job, I am learning game dev and learning it with Godot. Currently, my main project is a game about a scary bear called Sooty's Revenge, which can be wishlisted on the Steam store right there. Megatron, take care, take care. I'm going to kill your mother. Appreciate you coming in, appreciate you bringing the raid, appreciate you bringing some good people, and Phantom. I keyed. So my primary project is Sooty's Revenge, about a bear who wants to kill you for starting fires in his forest, no matter what kind of fire it is. But I'm giving a talk in 2 weeks. Yanis, it is from a book called Dungeon Crawler Carl. And let's see if I can do this without, nobody's in voice. Okay. So we played Minecraft with the king of Minecraft streams, Biggs, on Saturday. I'm gonna join the voice here. And I played this soundbite.
I'm going to kill your mother.
Hopefully you heard it, but everybody found it really funny. For some reason, I don't know why. It was just a little bit hilarious.
I'm going to kill your mother.
So of course, as I do with things that people find funny,
I'm going to kill your mother.
I did it over and over again.
I'm going to kill your mother.
And then I'd wait for a while. Then I'd wait. And out of nowhere,
I'm going to kill your mother.
followed by a
Glurp, glurp, motherfucker.
What I didn't play, because it's not on the soundboard, is
Did you just rip your dick off and throw it at me?
although it would be hilarious if it were on the soundboard.
I'm going to kill your mother.
All right, let me get OBS back up here. Yanis, no. It's from a book called Dungeon Crawler Carl. and it's from the audiobook version of it, which is absolutely hilarious. I mean, but they're both hilarious. I've read them, and Rocky, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. I highly recommend it if you like science fiction, funny stuff. The genre that they're calling it is like lit RPG. But the basic story of it is that think adult Adventure Time. Because obviously with the glurp glurp motherfucker and things like that, there's a lot of that stuff. Yeah, I highly recommend it. It's fucking hilarious. The next one is coming out around Christmas. There are 7. I think it'll be 7. But so I'm working now on my platformer presentation because I'm giving this talk next month. No, this month, in about 2 weeks. And so we're just playing. Ooh, I need to fix that. Or one of the, yeah, I think one of the things are, one of my tile layers are missing. So this is why we're doing it. But some of the levels towards the end, I was just desperate to put something in there. So I'm wanting to clean it up a little bit. Now, the other part of it that I'm really proud of is that I have speaker notes. Which, if you've ever given a talk, at least for me, speaker notes are highly important because I don't want to always be wrenching my neck or looking at the screen behind me. I also don't want to have my notes up on the screen behind me. So being able to see. Phantom, take care. Thank you for coming in with the raid. I appreciate you. Thank you for finally following. Sure. I hope you're doing well, and probably see you on the server later, because I'm probably going to be playing, and I'm probably going to kill your mother. So yeah, let me stop this here. So what I did, well, get on the server, yo. So what we did during the, I don't know, there were some people just griefing the other day. Pissing me off, fucking jerks. Okay, so what's going on there? Ooh, is there a layer that isn't showing? Where did that one go? No. Mize, I'm presenting in at Twin City Drupal Camp. So I'll be heading up to Minneapolis. So that's weird. Why is it? Is that a different color? There, that's what we wanted. That's the tile that we needed. I think it's just because of having the other layer on. But this is definitely the tile that I needed. I don't know why I didn't have this one before. There we go. And then this, we need to change just a little bit here. I probably should have this. Wait, no, that's the stars. I don't want the stars. Whoopsie daisy. Let's see. There we go. Color rect. Yeah, this is where I want to change the shader. There we are. There we are. Now let's see. Here. So I did the Godot official, or the Godot engine official stream on last Friday, which was a lot of fun. And we worked on this a little bit after I showed off Sooty. And this was, let's just skip ahead. Come on, give me a lift. And the main thing that we got out of here, oh, that looks a lot better. That looks a lot better. Look at that. Main thing that we got out of here was, you see the stars behind? That's a shader. So we learned some shader stuff on the Godot stream. Not only that, because the stars are actually above in a texture that is on top of everything, but we learn basically some chroma key, how to make a chroma key within Godot shaders. So it only shows the things on that blue background. Kind of cool, at least in my opinion. I don't gotta impress you. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. I totally do. Mice, I appreciate you. So there is a lot of, like, just... I don't know. Here, let me zoom, or it's going to be easier to do it this way. Like, towards the end here, Mice, I thought about that. I don't, but there are some parts like this that, like, I don't necessarily want to have stars on, so I'm going to have to do some switching up. So the thing is with these is that all of these slides, each one of them on its own is a PNG. All the backgrounds are PNG, so I can't put the text on top of anything except on things like, which one's this? Like this, I have a color rect covering up the thing, and then I put a label on top. And that label gets bigger and zooms out, but it says the exact same thing. Just to put a little bit of dynamic stuff on there. Oh, that's where the button is. But I'm also thinking that maybe switching up the map a little bit, or maybe adding some sound effects or something. I don't know. I want it to look like people are already impressed as all fuck by seeing this at a developer conference. But to me, it looks a little plain. It needs some juice. It needs some juice. I think the stars are a good start. I'm not quite sure what, maybe using different tiles or something. I mean, we could, knowing how how to do the chroma key type thing. I don't know if that would work if we do like a parallax background and key out that blue, because that blue is going to be the problem, right? Let's see. Hey, Desist, what's up? Let's save it here, and let's also Tommy, yeah, usually use you can use JavaScript for it. You could use ref tags. I mean, that's a pretty open question. I mean, the answer is yes, I do know, but there are many ways to do it. So how can we make this more interesting? I mean, it's already interesting, but let's think. Um, let's add some sounds. Well, second favorite, I don't want anything that's going to kill me. I mean, like I have on one of the pages, I think it's this one, a little spiky thing pops in, but I could just ride him. Like although it would be funny to make it so that if I die, I have to start back on slide 1. Ah, desist, very nice, very nice. But yeah, you can tell I got a little bit lazy towards the end. This one, you know, I put some effort into that one. Put a lot of effort into these two. Tommy, it would probably be the other way around. The anchor tag outside of the button. All right, ads are starting up, so you know what that means. Can't guess games? Guess a game if you know it, retro edition, and I'll be back. Right, we're back. Let's add in a new folder. I'm just using SFXR. Make a few things here. Saving jump. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna use that one. I shouldn't be muted. Am I? I actively pressed the button to not mute. Some people. Some people. Hopefully that's not too loud. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if it is. Yeah, I do it a lot, and that's why I was freaking out when you said it, because I know I pressed the button. Because usually for some reason, my mic shows up when I go on BRB, even though I don't have it. But you know, I've made a point now to look at it and be like, and make sure that I'm on. Ah. Well, I'll get this one just in case. I don't think I'll need it, but nice job. Way to go. It's because you made me all afraid.
Did you just rip your dick off and throw it at me?
You motherfucker. Okay, well, we got a couple of sounds that we can use. Let's go into presenter audio. Should we have Mags? Surprise. It was yours. All right, now let's put the sounds in here. Game assets. Oh, why haven't I changed this yet in here? There. Oh, that's so much better. Me Megatron. Meaning of life 42 is the meaning of life, universe, and everything. 42, same as my age. I know, I know. I just sometimes forget. I'll call you whatever the hell I want. I'm going to kill your mother. Aw, I'm sorry. Shit. Now I feel horrible. Oh, okay. Freakerzoid, welcome in. First time chat, good to see you. I primarily do GD script. GD script works really well. C sharp also works really well. C sharp is more flexible. As far as I know, but there's also a lot of stuff that you need to take into account if you're using C sharp instead of GD script. For one, you can't do web builds yet in C sharp. So if like game jams are your jam, I personally won't download an exe file because I don't trust anybody. Mags, no, you're fine. I'm something I you don't think about. So yeah, you can't do web builds if you want to do game jams. I won't down. I personally, and I know a lot of people who won't download exe files for game jam. Um, just like Dustin said, practical for solo jam. He downloaded, or he got a whole new laptop. I guess that's what happens when you get $16,000 in a Kickstarter, for which I'm Kickstarter number 1, backer number 1. So there's that. Oh yeah, Practical had a really successful Kickstarter. Memory is an amazing game. I am proud for him. I am happy for him. I can't wait till it comes out because it's just going to get better and better. But where was it? Oh yeah, the other things you need to take into consideration are like garbage collection is not automatic in C sharp. Obviously, it is automatic in Godot. You also have to or in GD script. You also have to worry about your own threading in C sharp. GD script does it automatically. So that those are a couple of reasons aside from the fact that I don't know C sharp that I'm using GD script. So far, there's been very little that I can do, or that I found that I can't do with GD script that I've needed to. Oh, yeah. All right, let's see if this worked. Let's see if we get a nice little jump sound. Yeah, I want to pitch bend that just a little bit, just a little bit. There, I think that's a good jump sound. What do y'all think? Awesome, awesome. So there's one sound. Now, I do have prize blocks here. And which sound did I choose for those? I think I did pick up coin. Let's add this in here. Oh no, that's a site that I used, but I made a sound and saved it. Oh. Sorry, you were responding to Dustin. My bad. Yeah. SFXR or yeah. That me. Sorry. Video stream player. What was I gonna call? There, box hit. Then we'll do pick up coin. Down a little bit here. Scale the pitch just a little bit. There we go. And now ready? Nope. We're gonna add a unique name here. Okay, now let's go back to the world. Rewatching Vampire Diaries. Okay. Thank you for the big brain. Thank you for the big brain. I need it. All right, let's see if that worked. It should zoom me all the way to this one. Yay! What do you mean? In base null instance on a null instance. What? Oh, fuck. Fuck you. Any idea why this is happening? Oh, shit. Because this is... Oh. Okay, let's see. Non-existent function, but it's right there. Oh yeah, Mew. I was trying to use a normal name. What I'm just wondering. Let's do that just to see. I mean, there it is. So it's a thing. Oh, okay, no, let's stop it and maybe the hot modules in your area reloading isn't working quite right. Oh, why? What do you mean? Yeah, I did. There's definitely a sound file here. See, right there. Box hit is null. Why is it null? No, name's not wrong. This is weird. Wait, why is this one? Let's see here. There's something interesting going on here as well. Oh, shit. I know what's going on here. Okay. Okay. Not a problem. Yeah, the prize blocks, so each of them are different. Did I have them as yeah, I should have made them instances. I don't know what I was thinking when I did it before, but part of the problem, I have each of them has their own texture. That pops out. So just to show, yeah, that's what I just noticed as well. So this part of the presentation is me talking about stuff that I've learned while streaming, like Godot, Node.js, TypeScript. I've touched Unity, C#, Python. Things like that. Oh, well, that's interesting. Look at that. Okay, where am I here? Oh shit. well, nobody watches on YouTube anyway. Exactly, yeah. Bar. Freakazoid, I recommend it. I like it. There we go. What? Oh, god damn it. I'm an idiot. Gotta set it true. Hey, Proton, what is up? What the hell? I'm an idiot. There we go. Awesome, awesome job. All right, so we got this. Like a exported var that's an array of all the different image player names. Logo. Yeah, I don't want to refactor too much right now. Right now it's more about adding in. I think what I could do here. So this is something, one of the many things that I'm curious about. Should each sound have its own audio stream player? Or should I use a single audio stream player, load the sound, and then play just as needed? And what I mean by that is, like, should the world have an audio stream player and then just set the stream as I go? Or should I have like an audio stream player for the music, audio, or not music, but for one sound effect? Like, say that there were coins to pick up or power ups or something. One for that. Should I have a second audio stream player for the hitting the box? I know I should probably have an audio bus, but I think that's overkill for what we're doing here. So I mean, that's the same question because I've already got the jump. Should I have a second audio stream player for prize block? That's what I'm getting at. Should each individual sound have its own play or stream player? That is where my question lies. Okay. I mean, if that's the case, exactly. Does a child inherit its parents' signals? I think I already know the answer. The child a child does not hit its or inherit its parents' signals. Hey, Van the Man, how's it going? Oh, I do have a globals already. Never mind. Okay, got that. And then let's go back to our prize block here. There. Van the Man, it is the ridiculous coding plugin made by Johnson, friend of the stream, Johnson. Okay, now let's see. Let's see. There we go. Man, the man, this is my presentation that I'm it's a talk that I'm giving next week. Shit, next week. It is a presentation, PowerPoint presentation in the form of a platformer game. Yep. I went in with the idea that, I hope people listen to me when I talk, but if they don't, I want them to say, holy shit, that was a really cool way of saying whatever the hell he just said. So right now I'm just adding a little juice to it. So we added the shader, we just added sound. I don't want to add music because I think that'll be a little bit overpowering. Ooh. I think I want something on the button press here. And something on this part. The growing me there. Maybe on all of these, just a little type thing. See, I don't have any enemies that actually do anything. I just have the enemies I can ride. Kinda. Because I don't wanna die and have to speed run all my way back, or my way back to the slide I was on. Right on, I'll open that up and save it for later. I've got it in a tab. Oh, where the hell? There we go. Man, the man, thank you. I thought it was a cool idea. So on Friday during the Godot stream, we added in the star shader. See on the button. Yeah, these are all different scenes. So let's see. Okay, I like that. All right, I gotta run to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'll be right back. All right, back. Sorry about that. Okay, these are all instanced. Let's see. Right. Get the file system here. Let's go back to assets. What the hell? Oh, shit. Mr. Zombie, welcome in. No worries. It's just here for fun. Oh, I've lost followers because I'm looking at my count there and my actual count. Ugh. Oh well. Mr. Zombie, thank you for the follow. Thanks, Desist. I appreciate y'all. Wait, does that sound too much like the jump? No, I don't think so. All right, let's see. Let's check this out. Perfect. This is shaping up pretty nicely. Now for the go back to 2D. Let's pop over here. There's the trigger. Slide to anim. What do we have here? Where is that? Is that in the world? Okay, that is there. Where is the shaker? Color. Canvas layer shaker. Okay. The first button. Wait, no, that's not what we were looking at. We were looking at object 2, hat trigger. Okay, let me see here. Because it shouldn't be shaking like that to begin with. Okay. There we go. So dumb. Love it. Science, what is up, Belint? How you doing? Get you a shout out here.
Artiste
We have
of all
royalty in the
things
room.
potato chip. Please go follow our friend Chips and Salsa 2 if you have not already.
We have
It's raining
royalty.
chips.
Not just a partner,
Hallelujah
but a
from out of
Twitch.
the sky. Chips. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining chips. Hallelujah, it's raining chips. Chips, how's the stream? How was the Alpine Lake that you were playing tonight? And
Well, and your clip finish up because you were singing "It's Raining Chips." I'm doing well. I'm doing well. I'm giving my talk next week in Minneapolis. So I'm just working on a couple things, adding a little bit of fun to it, and making it a little bit more interesting with some noises and effects. Gonna keep. Yeah, it's the same talk that I gave in February. I'm just I've learned a lot over the past several months, 8 months. So I wanna add in quite a bit, but not too much. I don't want to overpower or take away from the message that I'm trying to convey. But I do want to have people be like, "Oh, that's really cool," and listen to me. So I was thinking maybe did I have an explosion sound? I think I pulled one in. I think having that loop while the thing is, yeah, let's listen. Let's listen. Okay, I think that pulling that in here. Why does it do this? I think it's because I'm hovering over the documents that Mac Mini has been turned off. I need to start it back up. But as I'm getting ready to start up, we're gonna do that. And I will do a BRB. And I'll see y'all in just a couple minutes. Second favorite, good guesses. Good guesses. Gonna move that here. And we're going to add that down just a little bit here. Playing on, and then oh no. Make it stop. There we go. There we go. What the hell? Okay, so it should. All right, let's take a look here. The 2D. There we are. Okay, that's a little something, but let's make sure that it's not playing all the time. It's not so secret anymore, second favorite. All right, there we go. Yeah, I like it better than Words on Stream as well. And it supports another indie game dev. So if you like that, and you like to see what Lynch is making now, which is Ainsley, a game about a scary ass Furby, then go check that out. Okay. That is the cosmic shame, right? So many ideas, so little time. Okay. All right, I think that's about all that my brain is. Oh, nice. There's something that I'm. Twitch has official shit for Unreal and Unity, but nothing for Godot yet. That bugs me. Wow, I really need to update that. I'm going to do that right now while I'm thinking about it, because if I don't, then I'm going to forget. It's just going to get worse and worse and worse. There we go. There's that. All right, so the plan is that I'm going to be back tonight at my normally scheduled time. This was bonus. So yeah, I will be back tonight at 6 o'clock Central, I think is when I have it. Check, because it's hard for me to get to my own schedule. It's bullshit, but there we go. I got to do the no reload shit. Yeah, I'm scheduled at 5 tonight. 5 Central, 5 p.m. Central. So that's going to be in about 4.5 hours. So I'm going to take a break for now. Take a nap. Have a good nap. I'm probably going to use the time to play Minecraft, but nobody wants to watch me as a Minecraft streamer. That's for Beegs. Beegs is the #1 Minecraft streamer on Twitch. Never forget that. So I'm going to close out YouTube. Thank you for hanging out, YouTube. And just one final reminder there. If you're watching on YouTube, you just died. Why'd you die? My goal is to make a village. So please, if I'm in there and any wandering traders come by, don't kill them. Because I got to give them emeralds or some shit to get villagers to want to come by. Somewhere, I might have to build my own village, like a little bit off to the side. Away from everybody, just to do it. But I put like 20 beds on top of my house. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Okay, who are we going to raid?